G'day everyone, Audi 555 here. Today's video I'm going to be installing these tank protectors onto my CFMoto 450 MT. Before we can install them on the tank, we need to take off those ugly stickers that tell us what fuel to use, and then we can get ahead with the installation. So now that looks a lot sleeker. It's lovely, isn't it? Much better. So these tank protectors are reasonably priced. They're about $60, so a bit more expensive than what I'd imagine they will be in the future, but supply and demand, I guess. I got these off AliExpress, and that's the brand. So that goes up there, and then I think these go here, and these go down here, and these ones go on there, and they've all got this adhesive on the back. Well, that's it for today's video on installing these tank protectors on the CFMoto 450 MT. They have done a terrific job. They look pretty good too. They make the bike look a bit more aggressive in its styling, yet functional in its practicality, because this is a nice colour and it's very grippy, nice and thick as well. Well, hopefully you've enjoyed this video, and as usual, keep safe out there. The road's down two wheels and not on your head, and I'll see you all next time. Laters!